Yeah, but you have to learn how to. And also the one I really like is so.
But you have to learn. It's not a so. If you don't know how to count to 100, then you should learn. Don't say and so. There's nothing like and so. Okay? And since your big brother can count to 100, what do you have to do? You ask him to teach you, to help you. Don't say and so. Person mouth no fine like in face. A big mouth, you see.
Look at that door. No.
That's nice.
Yeah. Come back.
Have to be careful. Let me see. If you are a content creator, you are seeing this, indicate so I will follow you. I will subscribe to you to say thank you for watching. Where have I write down? But I don't know how to do. I'll come back. By the time I become pro, the next time that me come, if I don't become pro, if you are a content creator, indicate so I will subscribe to you when I finish to say thank you for watching, for joining my life. I don't know how to put that here, but next time I will. I don't know how to run. So,